Students, we are taking an example of formal letter and that also official letters example I am going to describe before you. We have, as earlier discussed, we start writing the letter with the sender's address. Here the sender's address we can see 12 Anna Nagar, Usman Road, Chennai. Then after that date of the present day when we write the letter is written September 17th, 2020. Then the receiver's address is written. Here the receiver is the commissioner of Chennai Corporation. So the address is written in this form. Mount Road, Chennai. The complete address of the sender, date and the receiver's address is to be written. After that, subject is very important. And our subject in this letter is poor sanitary conditions and mosquito menace in Anna Nagar. So through the subject we come to the main point which has to be discussed in the letter. Or this is one form of complaint letter, also official letter, that officially we are informing to the officer. Then salutation. Respected sir or dear sir. It is unfortunate. We start with the problem or the topic itself. We need not give some other things, or the starting should be just apt and proper. It is very unfortunate that Chennai Corporation is adopting a negative attitude as it is not providing civic amenities to the areas of the city. It means, as earlier written, sanitary conditions. The cleanliness in the city is not proper and mosquitoes are growing day by day, and because of this mosquito menace problem, the problem of malaria is increasing in the public or people. Colonies like Anna Nagar, as specially about Anna Nagar we are going to discuss. Colonies like Anna Nagar are left to rot and sting. रोट एंड स्टिंग मतलब सड़ने के लिए, पानी जो है वो एक जगह इकट्ठा होता है कहीं भी किसी भी जगह, और वहां पर मॉस्किटो जो है वो ब्रीड करते हैं. तो हमें अन्ना नगर के लोगों को छोड़ दिया गया है रोट सड़ने के लिए और बिल्कुल बदबू में रहने के लिए. हीप्स ऑफ डस्ट कीप लाइंग इन द स्ट्रीट्स. गलियों में ढेर पड़े हुए हैं. इट मीन्स द वर्डिंग कैन बी चेंज्ड. It is not compulsory that you write the same language. Our main aim or our intention is to highlight the problem and to complain to the proper channel or through the proper channel to the right person. So our left, heaps of dust are lying in the streets. The drains keep garbage and dirt as they keep open. The drainage system is not proper. The dirt is there and even many people fall in the pits which are due to the water, and the people get hurt also. Due to polluted water supply, this is also one problem. Polluted water supply, diseases are spreading in the area because specifically one area is taken, but in the letter it can be the problem of a whole city or the complete area, town also or village also. पॉल्यूटेड वाटर सप्लाई की वजह से डिजीजेज जो है दिन पर दिन फैलती जा रही है. वन मोर मेजर प्रॉब्लम इज ऑफ मॉस्किटोज. इट इज वेरी नेचुरल दैट इफ द वाटर इज there is water collecting somewhere, then mosquitoes also breed. So mosquitoes, they create only the malaria problem. No steps like spraying insecticides or DDT has been done over the stagnant water. जो पानी इकट्ठा हुआ है या जो पानी बदबू वाला हो चुका स्टेगनेंट वाटर है, उस पानी के ऊपर कोई भी छिड़काव नहीं किया गया है. स्प्रेइंग इंसेक्टिसाइड्स और DDT has been done by the authorities over the stagnant water. Then I come on the last paragraph of this letter. Every year hundreds of residents suffer from malaria. The disease of malaria, the problem of malaria disease is so wide, spreading so widely that many people affected from this every year. We hope, while concluding the letter, ultimately we write to the person in a hope We hope Chennai Corporation will rise from its sleep. These words can be changed in your own way. Any other language can also be used to write it. And do the required. और जो भी required action है, that has to be taken. That will be taken now. This is a hope. Hoping for the action in favor. The writer is concluding the letter with this hope. Yours faithfully, Yogesh. The name and the address are given, and we have to write about it. We have to write the same name and address. If not given, then we can write the name and address of our own choice. So in these letters, please keep in mind the format of the letter and how we start and how we conclude the letter. Thank you.